Hi everybody, I'm Jessie, and may the 4th be with you! Today is my ultimate favorite holiday. It's National Star Wars Day. For today's project, I want to create a really cool wall piece, so whether you are a Jedi or Sith Lord, it's going to look amazing hanging up. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to get 2 canvases, the same size, and paint them black. Go ahead, paint the tops, paint the sides, all black. This is going to be our background for our art piece. Next, you're going to want to get on a computer and print out the Jedi logo and the Empire logo. Make sure that they are the right size for your canvas. I went ahead and printed mine out side by side just like this. Go ahead and cut out so that you have your logos. You don't want to see any white pieces. These are going to make a stencil for you to trace around on your canvas. Once you have them cut out, go ahead and place them on your canvas and using a pencil, trace around the edge. All right. Once everything is traced onto your canvas, let's go ahead and start painting. Now remember, the Empire logo is red, the Jedi logo is going to be blue. So just go ahead, take some craft paint or art paint, and just go ahead and paint inside of each logo. All right, once you've painted your logos, you're gonna wanna let it dry because we're painting on top of black, which is a very powerful color. So it's gonna take you a couple coats to get your true red and your true blue to shine through. But I wanna show you guys a really cool thing that you can do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take the paint and I'm just gonna drip it just a little bit from the bottom of the logos to give it a really fun, cool look. All right, so take your bottle of paint, grab an extra tray or plate, something that you can get dirty, and your first logo. You're gonna wanna hold the bottom to the bottom of your tray, pop the cap, line it up with the bottom part of your logo where the paint is, and just give it a squeeze. And then hold it straight up. Can you guys see the paint moving? So gravity is helping you paint this part. So it's gonna take that wet paint and it's gonna pull down on your canvas. All right, I don't want my paint to completely drip off, so I'm going to go ahead, lay it back like this, and it's gonna dry right where it's at. So let's do it with the Jedi logo too. The best part about painting on black canvas is if you get outside the lines, you can always come back in with your black and clean up any rough edges that you might have. I hope you guys had a ton of fun with this project. I know I did, and I can't wait to display this one up in my office. So whether you are a Padawan, a bounty hunter, a Sith Lord, or a Jedi, I hope you guys have a great May 4th. May the Force be with you always. Bye!